So, respectable audience, my question is 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. This is also 4 minus 2. It will be equal to 2. This is also 4 minus 2. It is equal to 2. So 2 times 2 times 2, it will be equal to 8. But 8 is not correct answer because we have not followed the order of operation, which is according to PEMDAS. Now, according to PEMDAS, we have to solve parentheses first. So first of all, we have to solve this parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication and division from left to right, and then addition and subtraction. So, first of all, we have to solve this parenthesis. 4 minus 2 times 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Here is no sign, so we have to put multiplication sign. 4 minus 2. Now according to PEMDAS, we have to multiply. So we will get 4 minus from left to right 2 times 2. It will be equal to 4 times 4 minus 2. Now again here is multiplication, so we have to multiply. We will get 4 minus 4 times 4 is 16 minus 2. Now 4 minus 16 is equal to minus 12 minus 2, which is equal to minus 14. So minus 14 will be our correct answer. Thank you for watching and subscribing my YouTube video.